How to fix touchscreen problem on Android. If you're facing this problem, first and foremost, check that your mobile screen is clean. Sometimes the protective layer of your screen is the cause of this problem. So first and foremost, try by cleaning your template glass or changing to a better one. Moving on to the step, you'll be needing an external application called Display Tester, which is easily available in your Play Store, so make sure to install it. Right here at the top, you will see test, so go ahead and tap on it. You will see different tests for a different problem. For this, we'll be selecting multi-touch counter right here. So go ahead and tap on your screen as much as you can. And in this test, it should show the screen sensitivity, that is, it should show the right amount of the touch in your screen. That will determine whether you have a problem or not. Now once you do this, you can simply go ahead and try by restarting your mobile device. For that, press and hold your power button until you will see a display of options and tap on restart or reboot. Then just tap on OK. Now once you do that and once your mobile device is refreshed, this problem must be solved. Make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for watching.